Today is my third day here in Strasbourg. It's been such a whirlwind. I've been super jet lagged the last few days, so I haven't been able to pick the camera up, but today's the day. I'm gonna go walk to the local grocery store, and then I'm going to bike to the center of the town, explore a little bit. So it's a new day. I ended up going to that grocery store and did not end up going back out. But today I'm actually gonna do some exploring. Here's my little bike. Just made it to the center of the town. It's super cute, super quaint. There's like cobblestones everywhere. The streets are really adorable. Literally exactly what I would have imagined a town in France to look like. Yay! So just eating up my lunch. I'm super excited because my host mom's dad has his own garden and like does his own jams and stuff. And he brought over this homemade apple juice that I'm going to try right now. That is wonderful. Good morning. Today's Thursday, September 14th. I have just a chill day at home and I actually ordered some things from Ikea and they just came, they just got delivered. So let's go take a look. So funny enough, they dropped it off literally in front of the house, like just free with no like box or anything. Okay, so I got everything up into my room. My room is on the 3rd floor, so it was kind of a hike, but I got all this stuff. Let's do a little haul. This is a throw pillow, and this is the little pillowcase that I got for it. I thought this green would look nice with the brown. I got 2 little candles. I just like the look of candles because they're kind of simple and minimal. This little tray that I was gonna put on my little nightstand. This is a clothing rack that I'm gonna have to put together. I have a few throw blankets. So this is a gray one, a green one to match the green throw pillow, a white one, some hangers for the clothing rack. Then I have this standing mirror, which I'm super excited for. So that's my IKEA haul. Let's put it together. Found these 3D puzzles. They love Star Wars and they love Harry Potter too. And of course they love superheroes. Okay, also these Nerf guns are really cool. Of course, this wall of Legos. They have so many Legos already, I don't want to accidentally get them something that they already have. So I'm like really feeling the 3D puzzle. It's like speaking to me, so I think I'm gonna get that. They're reading Harry Potter right now, so I feel like he'll be into that. I'm feeling really successful. I originally was thinking about ordering the books online for pickup, but I just was not sure which ones were the right ones. So I'm glad that I went and I just showed her the actual email with the names of the books, and then they just found it for me, which was so nice. And then I went to this toy store and I feel really good about the gift that I got. I've been so obsessed recently, I need to share, with these cookies. If you live in France, I highly recommend. They're not anything special, but something about them with like a cold glass of milk, it's just so good. And that will be my little afternoon snack before I go get the kids. I just had to recommend those. So I'm heading out on my tram adventure. I have Google Maps to guide me. Had a successful little trip, been having a couple fun snacks and things that I got, and now I'm gonna head to this sporting goods store to see if I can find myself a bike helmet. I feel like that errand day was really successful. I feel really good about using the tram now. I was honestly really nervous. I was telling my friend this morning that I'm learning the Strasbourg public transportation system, but really I'm also just learning public transportation in general because I've never really had to use like a bus or tram system before. It was definitely interesting, and like I was super intimidated at first, but it wasn't as bad as I thought. And the Strasbourg public transportation system specifically, I think, is very easy to navigate, which was nice. It was like not too difficult at all to figure out. But yeah, I feel really good about that. So now I'm just walking home from the tram station, and I have a couple hours before I have to go get the kids. So I think I'm gonna do a little bit of editing, maybe read some, try to call my mom. It's my first day of classes. Hello, I just had my very first French class and it went super well. I'm so grateful. The teacher's super sweet. She definitely seems like she's been doing it a long time. I sat next to this girl who was from Paraguay, and so we got to chat in Spanish a little bit, which was fun. It's 3 days a week for 3 hours, so 9 hours total, which is pretty intense, but I think it'll be good. I'm just really excited.